Hi students, myself Vishal Kamble. On the request of maximum student, I solving here one more numerical on arithmetical increase method. Numerical given as the population of city from census record for last 5 decades is given in the following table. Calculate population at the end of year 2051 by arithmetical increase method. In table, given year and population of respective years. Years started from 1961 up to 2001. Now in this numerical, task is to calculate or find out the population at the end of year 2015. What will be the population at the end of year 2015? This is the our task in this numerical. Now in numerical, total 6 columns are given. Column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To convert it into rows, additional one row is required. Column is 6, then rows required are 7. Only add extra row. This numerical we required a standard in table serial number, year, population, increase in population are given. The standard table for calculation of arithmetic population at the end of 2015 or any other year, whatever given in numerical. This is the standard table. Now in year column, write down years whatever given in numerical. In numericals, years are given from 1961 up to 2001 and respective populations are given below the year. Write these data in standards table as given below. Write years in this column. In year column, write population data in population column. This is the year column we have written here. Next, write populations in population column. This is population column. Population given below the 1961, 20,000 population given below the 1961 and respective others population giver respective years. Completion of these two columns, calculate increase in population. Only make subtraction 9,000 subtract from 20 means 20 minus 9,000. Write their answer here. Next, 35,000 minus 20. Write here. 55,000 minus 35. Right answer here. 90,000 minus 55,000. Right answer here. This is the completed column of increase in population. Next step, make addition of these four values: 11,000 plus 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 35,000. Total will be 81,000. So, formula for future population by arithmetical increase method: Pn equal to P0 plus n into d. Pn equal to future population after the nth decade. Here nth decade is given 2051. PO present population given in table 90,000 last column, sorry, given in last row. D. Average increase in population. N. Future number of decade. To calculate future population Pn, we need P0 equal to present year population or last year population in given last column, sorry, in last rows at year 2001. P0 90,000 in given in numerical table. This is the last year population or present year population. P0, this is P0. Next term N future number of decade. N equal to future year minus present year upon 10. We dividing year by 10 because 10 years means 1 decade. Here we converting the years into decades. Due to this, always we dividing here by using 10. Now I given year notes. 10 years equal to 1 decade, 20 years equal to 2 decades, 30 years equal to 3 decade, 40 years equal to 4 decade, 50 years equal to 5 decades respectively. Next, future year means population to be calculated at this year 2051 and minus last year means present year given in numerical table 2001 upon 10. 2051 minus 2001 will answer will be 50. 50 upon 10, 5. Number of decades are 5 decades. Next, D, average increase in population. D equal to total average increase in population upon total number. Total population increase is 81,000. Total average increase in population 81,000 divided by 4 because these are the 4 value 1, 2, 3, 4. Due to this we dividing by their 4. Answer is D equal to 20,000 to 50 persons. Now our formula is Pn equal to P0 plus ND. P0 90,000, N 5 decades and D 20,000 to 50 persons. We have all components or parameters here. Only put this value into this formula and calculate future population after the nth decade. Now we putting here value Pn population to be calculated at 2051, P0 90,000 plus number of decade 5, average population increase 20,000 to 50, population at the 2051 equal to 1,91,000 to 50 persons. This is the final answer. In next video, we will continue second method of population of forecasting. Thank you.